Alright, Scott, we don't do enough breakfast stuff, I don't think. So, you know, living in South Texas, Migas is a big deal. And, of course, anytime you talk about Migas, there's an argument about crunchy versus the soft corn tortillas. Everybody's been on camping trips where the chips kind of got mashed up. I'm going to show you a quicker version. I like a little crunch in mine, so when those eggs start to get done, stir in some of those chips. You add some cheese and your favorite high mountain seasoning. Now this is a version of Migas anybody and everybody can make. You're going to have the crunch in there. You got the bell peppers. And of course I had a little bit of jalapeno because I eat jalapenos with everything. Okay, people. Try that out and see what you think. At least you don't have to go and throw away all those crumbs from your chips. Put them to some good use. Alright, we'll come up with something different for you next time.